Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Matplotlib. There's only so many fonts that are available out of the box, so you might want to add your own. And I'm going to add a font that I've downloaded from fonts.google.com. So that's a good place to go if you want fonts that are freely available and you can just browse, find whatever font suits your fancy. I've gone ahead and downloaded this font over here. You just click this download button over there. It'll download a folder with all the different variations of the font. Okay, so after you've done that, found the font you want, go over to whatever you're using for your Matplotlib code or your Python code. I'm using a Jupyter Notebook. Import Matplotlib, PyPlot module as usual, and you're going to have to import font manager as well. So that's why I've got to run from Matplotlib import font manager. Then you're going to want a list where the locations are. You're going to look for these new fonts you've downloaded. So here I'm just adding in from one folder. So it's a list of one. Run that. And then I'm going to grab the font files. So in this case, those are individual .ttf files. I'm going to get that from Font Manager, find System Fonts, and then I tell it where to look with font paths, like so. So I have something like this. All right. So I've grabbed all of the relevant files, and then I'm just going to add them with this. For every file in that, you can go to Font Manager, and then add font, whatever you have. Okay, so that's really all there is. Now these fonts are available. So let's make an example. Start a figure. And we'll use the figure text method. I'm going to write the name of my book, Matplotlib for Storytellers. So that's what it is with the default font. And I'm going to change that with font name. And this is the font I just downloaded, like so. So I've now changed the font. Let's just make it bigger so we can all see. That's my font. So yeah, if you like, you can keep going. Let's make this a little bit prettier just for the sake of it. Turn off the axis. We'll give this a nice face color for the background. I can change the font weight with this particular one. So extra bold is available. Do it like that. And then boom. You just keep going with all the different font parameters you want. And there you go. Have fun.